Hey Gunpowder crew, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and also ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the adventures here on our channel. Today we are headed back to Kairos to put the new 4-inch Superlift Suspension Kit to the test. We're going to get some flexing in today to see how this kit really performs. So join us as the adventure continues. From this angle, we can really see everything getting worked and stretched out along the way. Today we have Buckshot along for the adventure. He's having an absolute blast. As we get into more ruts, larger rocks, and steeper hill climbs, the suspension flexing has increased. We have a little issue here when a tire gets a bit too close to the GoPro. Whoops. But hey, we found it. I'm sorry we couldn't get more undercam on this adventure due to the GoPro mount breaking, but keep an eye out on the next adventure and we will have some more footage for you of her flexing. If you ever get a chance to visit Kairos Resort in Rich Creek, Virginia, it's well worth it. The views are amazing and the trails are awesome. I hope you enjoyed that video of Gunpowder flexing out at Kairos. If you did, smash that like button and also subscribe to our channel. And if you want more content just like it, right up here, I'll have a link for you as the adventure continues.